Hey everyone, it's Mara Allard of Wind, Water, and Wisdom, and it's Friday, so it's Biogeometry Friday. And last week I started to talk about the Biogeometry Home Essential Kit that you can purchase. I will again put it in the link. This whole kit, when used in your home, will bring down all of the environmental stressors in your home. And we went through the cube in here last week, and this week I want to talk about the water attachments. So in the kit, there will also be these two plastic water attachments, and they have these holes in them. And you want to put these, the reason you want to do this is to harmonize your water. So if you live in a house, you're going to go find where your utilities come in. So some basements, or if you don't have a basement, where you would find your hot water heater, your water, typically maybe your electrical panel, where your utility closet is. You want to find the main water source, the main pipe coming into your house that's delivering water. This is where one of them will go. And you're going to use a zip tie, or if you don't have a zip tie, double-sided tape. You're going to put the zip tie through, and then you're going to have the water pipe, and then you're going to make it parallel. So you're going to put two zip ties, one here, and then you might need bigger zip ties than these, depending on the size of your pipe, and then secure it on the pipe in this direction. Then you want to find your hot water heater and do the same thing on the hot water pipe, so that you've got the cold water, drinking water, and your hot water. And again, you're going to secure it with a zip tie along and put it parallel along the hot water tank. Now, if you live in an apartment, you can use and don't have access to your hot water heater or your drinking water because it's central, then you're going to put these underneath the sink where your hot water and your drinking water come in. And this will harmonize your water. And next week we will go over how to do it on your electrical panel. And then the following week we will do your windows indoors. Have a good weekend.